Okay, let me show you something that you can check if your microphone or video is not working in Schoology. So next to the web address, you're going to see this lock. Click on it. So if you were trying to do a video assessment and you had this blocked, that's not going to help. So you would have to allow it, okay? But you'd see there's not a microphone choice here. Sometimes it pops up and sometimes it doesn't. So you're going to have to click Site Settings. When you click Site Settings, you're going to see right here, microphone, okay, for Schoology. So you can click Allow here, okay? And this will allow you, and it's only for Schoology, to use the microphone, okay? So again, if I go back, you're going to click the lock. If microphone shows up here, make sure you allow it. If microphone does not, click on Site Settings and switch this to Allow.